Well, we made it down to the BVI and we had a really nice first day. Checked into the boat, did our provisions, went out for some lunch, had a nice evening sitting on the boat, playing some cards, just getting nice and cozy into our cabins. And today we're headed off back down into town to pick up some water and some drinks, the rest of our provisioning, and we're gonna head out in a few hours.